Welcome to today's edition of TV Wolf.
It's Thursday, June 1st. It's a B-Day and a Signet 3-Day.
Would everyone please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for the Wolfpack Pledge.
I will honor myself and others. I will take ownership for my actions. I will demonstrate an excellent work ethic in all that I do. I am responsible for my own learning. I am responsible to the success of our school. We are tracking a path towards excellence.
And now for the moment of silence. You may be seated.
Welcome back. Today for lunch, we'll have lasagna with garlic bread, corn dog nuggets, cheese quesadilla.
All library books must be returned to the library tomorrow.
Attention all band students. Going to King's Dominion on Saturday. This is a reminder that there is a mandatory band rehearsal after school today until 4 p.m. The 8th grade dance is tomorrow. Permission slips will be collected today and tomorrow. And tickets will be given out. Every student attending must have a signed permission slip and a ticket to enter Friday. No at-the-door permission slips will be accepted. Any questions, see Mr. Mincer. Today is National Say Something Nice Day.
Fun fact, did you know that your heartbeat changes and mimics the music you listen to? There are 10 and a half days left to school.
Thanks for watching this edition of TV Wolf. I'm Jet.
And I'm Caleb.
Thanks for tuning in and have a great day.